Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guidance to become a computer vision engineer. So let's begin. So some of the skills that you can learn to, kickstart your journey are, for the first thing is Python, obviously, and then some basic libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas. Pandas is not directly related to computer vision, but learning it will be a great skill. Uh, then you need to learn a bit about statistics as well and scikit-learn. So scikit-learn is a machine learning library, and that is also not very much used in computer vision directly, but learning that will be a great thing. And then to learn some ML related theories and the most important library, which is OpenCV. So OpenCV is the main library for performing computer vision operations. So this is the most important library that is needed for learning computer vision. Then there is a media pipe as well, which has some inbuilt models for facial mapping and for capturing body postures, etc. So you can learn that as well, and then you can proceed to the deep learning theory part and learning CNNs. So you can use TensorFlow or PyTorch, but I would personally advise you to learn PyTorch first before going for TensorFlow, because a lot of people are learning PyTorch. A lot of people are using PyTorch nowadays because 4 years ago, 5 years ago, TensorFlow was more popular than PyTorch. But now, as much as I have seen, a lot of people are using PyTorch, so it's better to learn PyTorch over TensorFlow for now. And as an option, you can learn TensorFlow as well. They both do the same thing, but PyTorch is getting more popular than TensorFlow. So yeah, then some additional skills that you need to learn are GitHub and Git, learning to use Linux terminal, Linux commands and all. Need to learn to build APIs. So you can use Flask or Fast API for building APIs, web-based APIs. Uh, and Docker Cloud. So you need to so Docker is used for containerization. So for learning cloud, there is the AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure as well. So you can start with any of the three. You know, so these are the three popular clouds that are there in the market. Then the next step is to make personal projects. So you can start with some basic Python and image processing projects like color detection, tracking, segmentation, face detection, and all basic uh, projects. And then you can move towards deep learning, computer vision related projects like detection, classification, etc. And then you can make your own small application with Kiwi or Fast API, Flask, etc. You can also join Kaggle and you know do some practice if you want. So the next part involves showcasing your work. So you can publish the project that you have made earlier and post it on GitHub, write a blog about it, or upload it on make a demo of it on YouTube, which you can show it to the recruiters or your clients. I have some projects published on my GitHub account. If you want, you can have a look. So these are some of the projects that I have made. So these videos are available on YouTube, and the code has also been published on GitHub. So if you want, you can go and check. So once you have completed all the steps before, you are now ready to enter the field. You can join some groups on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Reddit and make some connections over there. And it is also a good source for learning about new things. And then you can start applying for AI and computer or data science related job. And if it is not working out, then try gaining some experience, doing some freelancing or internships. And even after doing these things, if you are not able to land a job, then get a job in some related field. So, for example, you can start out as a normal Python developer instead of directly starting as a data scientist because it might require more experience which you may not have. So you can start as a normal Python developer or a data analyst, and then you can uh, proceed forward. So that's how I started. I started as a data analyst in my first job. I was a trainee analyst. Then I got a job as a data scientist. Then I got promoted to senior data scientist, and now I'm working as a AIML specialist. So yeah. So I hope you found my video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more content on my channel. So thank you very much.